want you to tell me, like, who needs weights? I love weights, but I have noticed that this garden functions as weights for me. I mean, just as I look around, I see rocks that I can lift and carry in different spots. I could plant something which requires me to get up, go down and get up. I got to be able to get myself up off the ground. That's what I want to be able to do. I want to get myself up. Right? I want to be able to pull myself up off of something. If I need to, if I'm hanging on the edge of a cliff, I want to be able to pull myself. I'm not able to do that now, but that's my goal. I want to be able to do stuff. Right? And look, like the garden functions as that thing for you to be able to do stuff. Right? I mean, just check this out, right? Back work, right? Back work and shoulder work all the same. Right? Cardio. Change the hand grip. Change the hand grip again. So this is my compost, right? And so I put all kinds of materials in this compost. So I put leaves, I collect my leaves, throw those into the compost, put those in the compost. Look, check this out. All right. Now, usually I'm chopping it up because I'm trying to chop up table scraps. On this one, I'm just chopping it up, trying to get it all integrated into the table scraps. So that's why I'm putting leaves in. Now look, different hand grip. This is I'm working lats here, lats and shoulder, and in some degree I'm working forearms. I'm working biceps here. This ain't pretty though. You know, I'm not looking to get pretty. There was a time when I worked out to look pretty, and then I went out and I played basketball, and I think my body was really chiseled, and I think I looked really pretty, but I couldn't even move. I couldn't get blood, man. I had no explosion. I had a lot of stuff I needed because I was just working out for sculpting. So now I'm working out to do stuff, and I do augment gardening with some lots of walking. No, I'm hitting right here. I'm hitting abs. Because what I'm trying to do, I should get that camera over here and have you take a look in here, but what I'm doing is I'm pulling the organic material, the composted stuff, from the walls so that we could get it from the walls. Now I gotta get it from the back wall. So let me see if I can think about the grid. I can go like this. What I'm doing, just regular abs. Dude, I'm no trainer. I'm gonna add the hips, get some hip movement and some legs. Full body. You do this intensely, as far as what I've researched, because I am no sports medicine doctor or anything like that. I just want to be able to have a body where I can do things. But as far as I can tell, it's anywhere from 300 to 600 calories for this kind of work, right? And I can just stay here and go back to the next tool. Just go back to the next tool. And now you see that this is a workout. Now, you could hear me breathing heavy, right? You can hear, but I can increase the intensity. So I can increase intensity there. Chop. Come back around. Chop. wanted to get material from here, this is completely different set of muscles, in which case I would probably put, you know, either a time limit on these things, or I would, you know, I would have a count. But now I got organic material, and I'm putting it right in the garden. Some of this organic material could go into the wheel, but now I've got a whole nother workout that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna walk this organic material over there, and then I'm gonna plant. Let's see where to go. I'm gonna plant some Rogaine. It's over there somewhere. But we're all about cultivation. In fact, a philosophy of cultivation has been boiling up in me over the years, and I'm just trying to cultivate it. I've been trying to cultivate it for a long time, and it really consists of 5 things, of the acronym CROPS. Right? It's more than 5 things, but at least you could feel the acronym with a few things. It consists of consistency, right? It consists of, that's the C. Resiliency, that's R. Or refinement, that's also R. It can consist of a O, crop, CRO, optimization, or optimal, being optimistic, or organized, or observant. I have other videos on being observant. It can consist of a P, which could be perseverance or preparation, which is really what we're doing in the garden right now. And it also consists of S, which is sacrifice, or being strategic, or my favorite, self-cultivation. So the very thing that you cultivate cultivates you in terms of your mind and your body. And this is the ultimate thing that we can do, we can use the garden for. We can use the garden for a means of cultivation of self. That's mind, that's body. We're not cultivating ourselves for means that are egoic, because the garden has no ego. The garden just exists. The garden is just here. And so self-cultivation, get out in the garden, get movement in the garden, cultivate your mind and your body and your heart and actual garden by getting out in the garden. Tell me what kind of workout you're going to do. Put that in the comments. What kind of workout will you do as you cultivate, do self-cultivation, which is the S in crops. I'll see you on the next one.